Let's talk about 15 signs and symptoms indicating you may have parasites, how to kill and expel them from your body, and ways to avoid getting them again. Many people are unaware that they are infected with parasites. The idea of having worms living inside you is a rather unpleasant subject, but it is quite common to have a parasitic infection. Intestinal parasites cause our immune system to react, and the symptoms will vary based on the organism. If left untreated, parasites can invade major organs such as the liver, lungs and brain, causing major health issues. Number 1. Digestive issues such as stomach cramps, gas, bloating, constipation, diarrhea often with visible mucus. According to research, parasitic infections are sometimes mistaken for IBS, because both cause similar gastrointestinal symptoms such as abdominal pain, diarrhea and bloating. 2. Nausea or vomiting. 3. Signs of malnutrition such as unintended weight loss, hair loss, brittle nails, feeling weak. This is because parasites deprive people of their nutrition. They use up our proteins, vitamins and nutrients. 4. Feeling constantly hungry, not feeling satisfied even after a hearty meal. As mentioned earlier, parasites feed on what you eat, that's how they survive. 5. Unexplained skin irritations, hives, blisters, eczema, itching. This is your immune system reacting. Some parasites can dig tunnels under your skin, where they lay eggs. This causes itching and skin irritation as an immune response. 6. Iron deficiency anemia as evidenced by feeling fatigued, having pale skin. Parasites feed on your red blood cells, causing a deficiency in the body. 7. Recurrent headaches. 8. Sleep disturbances as in insomnia, restlessness due to the parasites being active during the night. 9. Sudden onset of brain fog. 10. Sugar cravings. 11. Itching around the anal or vaginal area, especially at nights. This is a result of pinworms laying their eggs in the skin folds close to the anal area. Some women experience recurrent yeast infections. 12. Grinding of the teeth, anxiety. 13. Swollen lymph nodes around your neck area, which is an immune response from a parasitic invasion. 14. Joint pain and muscle aches. 15. Sudden onset of food allergies. Types of intestinal parasites. Let's go over a few. 1. Pinworms. Their eggs are transmitted directly from person to person. You may have pinworms if you experience vaginal itching, recurrent UTIs, or itchiness around your anal area. This is because pinworms usually lay their eggs in the skin folds close to your anus. 2. Hookworms. You can contract hookworms from walking barefoot on soil contaminated by animal feces. 3. Tapeworms. They're the largest parasites, and can survive in the intestines for up to 30 years. They're contracted from eating raw or undercooked meat, poultry and fish. If left untreated, tapeworm eggs can travel to other parts of the body including the brain. 4. Roundworms. They can enter the body through contact with contaminated soil, foods, or fecal matter. These parasites can be transmitted from cats or dogs to humans. Roundworms also live in raw and undercooked foods such as pork. How to do a natural parasite cleanse. To effectively remove parasites from your body, it is recommended to do at least a 2 to 4 week parasite cleanse, using a combination of at least 2 of the following antiparasitics. 1. Raw garlic. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that has been shown to kill parasites. Allicin is activated when chewed or chopped. Garlic is also rich in sulfur, that kills existing eggs and prevents female pinworms from laying more eggs. Chop up 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, allow 15 minutes for the compound allicin to be activated, then swallow. You don't have to chew since the garlic is already chopped up, but you can. Do this every morning on an empty stomach, until the symptoms are resolved. For itching around the anal area, you can apply garlic topically to your anus like a salve. Grind some garlic into a paste, mix it with a small amount of coconut oil, and apply it directly to your anus using a cotton ball. Coconut oil can help clear a pinworm infection due to its antibacterial and antiviral properties. Wash your hands with soap and water before and after the topical application. 2. Black walnuts. Black walnut hulls contain powerful antiparasitic compounds that have been shown to effectively expel microbes and various types of parasites from the body. In addition, black walnut hulls improve digestion and treat constipation. 3. Wormwood. Wormwood has been used over centuries to treat worms. It can effectively kill off intestinal parasites, such as tapeworms, pinworms and roundworms, including their eggs. An article published in NPR in January 2019 reveals that sweet wormwood is as powerful as praziquantel, an antiparasitic drug. According to the article, researchers who conducted a study in the Republic of Congo found that the people who drank sweet wormwood tea got rid of the parasites much faster than the other group who took the antiparasitic drug, praziquantel. Yes, there's wormwood, Artemisia absinthium, which can be toxic due to its active ingredient thujone. And then there's sweet wormwood, Artemisia annua, which key ingredient is artemisinin, a non-toxic compound. Both types of wormwood are antiparasitics. They're available as pills, dried leaves, and tincture. 4. Cloves. Cloves are one of the most powerful antiparasitics, as they're great at killing parasitic eggs. Studies suggest that cloves are highly effective and safe to be used long-term for parasitic cleansing and gut health, unlike other herbs. Cloves contain powerful properties that kill parasitic eggs and help expel parasites from the body. Before we proceed, keep in mind that garlic, black walnuts, wormwood and cloves are by far the most effective natural antiparasitics. You don't need to take all 4. Combine 2 or 3 for a powerful parasitic cleanse. Start with a lower dosage and gradually increase as tolerated, allowing your body to adjust. Then, there's papaya seeds. Papaya contains an enzyme that can kill worms. Air-dried papaya seeds have been shown to effectively eradicate intestinal parasites. Study shows that children in Kenya who ate porridge with ground papaya seeds in it for several months had 63% fewer roundworm eggs in their stool samples. 6. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds contain 2 antiparasitic compounds, berberine and cucurbitine. Foods to avoid during a parasite cleanse. For an effective parasite cleanse, your diet is of utmost importance. Do your best to avoid eating what parasites love. You must create an unwelcoming environment in your body that the parasites can't survive in. They thrive in a body that consumes inflammatory foods. So cut out ultra-processed foods, dairy, refined foods, and sugar except raw honey. Eat more beets and carrots. Avoid sushi, undercooked fish, poultry, meat, especially pork. Wash fruits and vegetables with vinegar. Drink plenty of water to flush the worms out of your body. Use antiparasitic spices in your meals such as cloves, ginger, oregano. Sprinkle raw chopped garlic on your meals. Add vitamin D3 and zinc to your daily regimen to give your immune system a boost. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider. Finally, let's review different ways people can get infected with parasites. Poor hygiene, as in inadequate hand-washing techniques, walking barefoot. Undercooked foods, meat, poultry, especially pork. Eating raw vegetables without soaking them in vinegar. Swimming in contaminated water. Using public bathrooms. From animals, bed bugs and fleas. For pet lovers out there, all new pets must be tested for parasites. Direct contact with fecal matter of infected people, including sexual activity. Walking barefoot on contaminated soil. There's a greater risk of parasitic infections in childcare settings and long-term care facilities. There you have it. If you've ever done a parasite cleanse, or have a crazy parasite story, share it with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching.